So here I'm doing my 3.1p. The tester, vector and eye sorter are given in this task, and we've done the bubble sort, the insertion sort and the selection sort in this task. So the common is they all three are inheriting from eye sorter in this case, and in the public class there is the main array and the comparer. So this is an outer loop here, and that will run for the entire length of the array, and it will pick one of the uh, one of the variables from the array, and that's it. And after the outer loop, this is the inner loop right here. Sorry, the inner loop is the upper one here. So in this inner loop, it is going to, so this will run for the entire length of the array, and this will pick a variable and it will place it in its right place in the array. And then again, this is the another loop right here, and this loop will also run for entire uh, the entire array, and it will keep on running, picking on one variable after another and putting it in its right place in the actual array that we have. And that is all for the selection sort. And then on to the insertion sort. So as I just said, it's also inheriting from the eye sorter, and after inheriting from the eye sorter, there is a public array, and we are again using the comparer over here. So in this one, in the insertion sort, there is a for while loop, and this will run until uh, all the all the variables in the array, they are put in their right place, and it will continue to run and do the same unless the value of p is greater to 0, just like you can see over here. And until it's not that, it's gonna keep on running, and when everything is in place, it's just gonna stop and it won't run anymore. Now I will be moving on to the bubble sort. So in the bubble sort, uh, there is again the inheritance from eye sorter, and there is a public array, and we're again using the comparer right here. And in this one, we are using the for if loop as an outer loop. So there is an outer loop and an inner loop in here, and in the inner loop and outer loop, there's an increment of 1 in both. And in with the inner loop, it's going to compare both the values over and over again, and it's going to keep comparing them and putting them in their right place, unless it seems that everything in the array is in order. And and because bubble sort works on swapping the variables in between each other, so there is another function down here for the swap. It is going to exchange or like swap uh, the variables in the array, and it's going to keep on doing them unless the bubble sort works it all out. So that is my explanation for the bubble sort that I have created here.